Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to log into your Blooket account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser and on the search URL, type in blooket.com. Once you press enter, you will land on this interface. Now in order to log in, you will get two options, that is sign up and login, from the upper right corner. From there, click on login and you will land on this login page. Here, either you can go with your Google account if you have created Blooket account with your Google account, or else you can also continue with your username or email. Here I will continue with my email. And under that, type in your password. Once you're done with that, click on let's go, and after that you will be logged into your Blooket account. So this is how you can simply log into your Blooket account. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.